Imagine being the most influential figure on the planet, bestowed with boundless freedom, yet constantly besieged by threats of wars, diseases, and betrayals. It may seem paradoxical, but such was the daily reality of Marcus Aurelius, an emperor who, despite his immense power, faced challenges that could render anyone feeling powerless. Today, I will reveal how he discovered in Stoicism a remarkable antidote to dissatisfaction, a philosophy that not only transformed his life but mine as well. Before delving into that, I want to express my gratitude for the incredible support each of you has provided. Your actions not only aid me, but also unite us in the journey to explore wisdom capable of transforming our lives. Let's explore together how the resilience of an emperor can inspire our lives today. It's intriguing to ponder why some individuals choose not to respond in certain situations. It might feel like walking on delicate ground, but someone's lack of response should not signal giving up or surrendering. How can you turn apparent rejection into a positive turnaround? By the end of this discourse, you will possess effective strategies to deal with indifference and discover the power of reverse psychology in prompting someone to reconsider their attitude. But first, a favor. If you can, please leave a like and activate the notification bell. This simple gesture significantly impacts the YouTube algorithm, indicating your appreciation for our content and increasing its visibility to more people. Your support is genuinely appreciated. Number 1. Now let's discuss the importance of ignoring those who attempt to diminish your worth. In the face of coldness and disinterest, it's crucial not to be shaken, but to rise above these circumstances. Ignoring someone who rejects you is not an act of hostility, but a powerful statement of self-esteem. Imagine someone deeming your time worthless. You are not the one losing in that situation. By choosing not to engage, you are reaffirming your own value, holding up a mirror that reflects and demonstrates that such behavior doesn't affect you. Number 2. How can you achieve this without becoming bitter? The answer is simple. Focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. Dedicate yourself to enriching activities like reading, playing sports, learning new skills, or enjoying the company of those who value you. It's not about seeking retaliation, but redirecting your energy to what truly matters. While you may face instances of being ignored, instead of dwelling on rejection, turn it into a drive for your personal development. Strengthen your self-esteem and let the indifference of others dissipate. Number 3, in this empowerment, you are not just resisting rejection, you are thriving in spite of it. This dedication to self-development is a sign of emotional maturity, showcasing your inner strength. Remember that your worth is not diminished by others' inability to recognize it. Stay true to yourself, letting your actions speak louder than the silence of others. Avoid impulsive reactions and opt for thoughtful responses, maintaining your dignity and self-respect in challenging moments. Number 4. A key point is to free your mind from the art of detachment, a crucial tool in your strategy to erase them from your thoughts. This doesn't mean denying or pretending that rejection doesn't hurt, but rather redirecting that experience into something that promotes your growth. View rejection not as a blockade, but as a signpost, directing you toward new paths and opportunities. Dedicate yourself to activities that nourish your essence and broaden your horizons. Dive into challenging reads, practice sports that test your limits, or engage in community projects offering innovative perspectives. Number 5. These experiences are not merely pastimes but platforms for self-discovery and personal growth. Moreover, it's vital to cultivate a circle of positive influences, surrounding yourself with people who encourage and inspire you. Share your aspirations and listen to theirs in an environment that fosters mutual growth. Remember that rejection does not define your worth. It represents an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. On this journey, you will realize that what once seemed like painful rejection was, in fact, a push toward a more rewarding path. Number 6. Avoid reacting in an emotionally impulsive way. Stay focused on your goals, maintain your dignity, and self-respect in challenging moments as a demonstration of strength and an affirmation that you are resilient in the face of indifference. Another crucial point is to practice empathy, both with yourself and with others. That colleague who appears indifferent might be facing their own battles. Grow from these experiences, affirm your value, reflect, learn, and rise from the ashes of rejection stronger and wiser. Number 7. Remember that rejection is not the end of your story, but a turning point that propels you to become the most authentic and resilient version of yourself. Reduce contact when confronted with indifference or rejection. The impulse to try to fix the situation, seek dialogue, or fill the void left behind is common. However, this is the moment when you can change the dynamics and embrace silence. It's not about playing a game, but reaffirming your autonomy by choosing not to inundate the other person with incessant messages or calls. Number 8. Taking a step back is crucial, and this pause benefits not just the other person, but you as well. It's an opportunity to recalibrate and remind yourself that your worth does not depend on others' approval. Delve deeper into this concept. Silence is not passive, but active and strategic. You're not merely waiting, you're reflecting and maturing. It's the time to redirect your focus towards your goals, passions, and personal life. Number 9. Consider this a reset button that offers clarity and empowerment. This interlude of no contact is not an expression of coldness or cruelty. It's the establishment of a boundary for your own mental tranquility. You're sending a clear message. You respect yourself too much to chase after or beg for attention. This strategy might not change others' behavior, but it will certainly transform yours, making you more resilient, focused, and prepared to face future challenges with grace and balance. Number 10. Demonstrate your value. View each rejection not as a setback, but as an opportunity to display your strength and capability. When overlooked in a meeting or for a promotion, take a deep breath and redirect that energy into positive and constructive actions. Work on a project that showcases your skills or take the lead in a new challenge. Remember that your value is not diminished by others' lack of recognition. It's an opportunity to shine even brighter, unfazed by disregard. Number 11. Remind yourself that when one door closes, another opens. This is not merely a consolation, but a blueprint for action. Rejection does not reflect your intrinsic value, but can be a redirection to where your skills are most needed. If you are being overlooked for a position, it might be a sign to seek something more in harmony with your talents and passions. Use this as a stimulus to reassess and realign your strengths, looking for ways to maximize them. Number 12. Forge your own narrative of success, where each adversity serves as the backdrop for a triumphant comeback. It's not about finding happiness in the face of disappointment, but about embracing the full range of emotions and moving forward with grace and determination. Stoicism guides you to focus on what is within our control, our actions and reactions in the face of rejection. Practice empathy, both with yourself and with others. Grow from these experiences. Affirm your value, reflect, learn, and rise from the ashes of rejection, stronger and wiser. Number 13. Adopt reciprocal indifference. When someone ignores you, an effective and powerful response can be simply not to react. This attitude is not about malice or coldness, but preserving one's inner peace. If someone chooses to ignore you, let them. Avoid wasting energy trying to attract their